This conceptual design, spanning an optimized 33 by 52 feet footprint, exemplifies Mediterranean organic architecture by eschewing rigid geometry in favor of fluid lines and natural materials. The structure replaces harsh right angles with soft, hand-troweled white stucco walls and gently arched timber windows, culminating in a distinctive conical terracotta tiled tower that anchors the property. Designed as a 28 by 39 foot tropical retreat, the concept uses a steep terracotta tiled roof, wide overhangs, and raised timber decks to respond to sun, rain, and humid weather. The white vertical cladding contrasts with warm wooden frames and railings, giving the house a clean coastal character while still feeling natural. Large openings, shaded verandas, and the poolside landscape connect the interior with the surrounding forest, emphasizing natural ventilation, outdoor living, and a relaxed resort-style atmosphere. These interiors exemplify modern Mediterranean style, a more elevated and richly detailed evolution of the Mediterranean aesthetic, where carved woodwork, hammered copper vessel sinks, hand-painted ceramic tile backsplashes, and wrought iron accents elevate the design beyond rustic simplicity into refined craftsmanship. Throughout every room, the architectural language remains consistent. Arched doorways and windows with solid timber frames, exposed beam ceilings, and stucco walls serve as the structural canvas that unifies spaces as diverse as the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and reading nook. The interior uses a Bohemian tropical style, blending white textured walls, warm wood, rattan furniture, and woven decor to create a relaxed, handmade character. Arched windows and doors soften the space, while framing views of tropical greenery, helping the rooms feel open and connected to nature. Macrame wall hangings, clay pottery, terracotta flooring, and natural fiber rugs add layered texture without making the design feel heavy. Overall, the style focuses on comfort, craftsmanship, and organic materials, creating a warm tropical home with a free-spirited Bohemian atmosphere. The four-poster canopy beds with sheer mosquito netting, hand-painted ceramic tile backsplashes, kilim and geometric rugs, and botanical framed prints layer cultural storytelling into every room, giving each space a sense of collected history rather than curated decoration.